Alright, so welcome to Acroyal's fastest Revit course for beginners. Okay, I'm taking out course 2 today. We shall be taking a look at how to set levels and how to navigate the Revit interface. Okay, now you're welcome with this 4 cardinal points showing you your elevations, your south elevation, your east elevation, your north and your west elevation. Okay, now for us to really appreciate level, now everything you're doing in Revit, you need to learn how to set levels. It's very important. Okay, so you simply go to your elevation, click on this box here. It's going to display your various elevations. Click on any of them. Okay, so now to set your level based on what you want to work with, you simply click on it, level 1, and you could name it your foundation level, okay, or you could simply name it natural ground level. So click on would you like to rename corresponding view. You simply click yes. What it does is that it automatically renames the other elevation view. Okay, mind you, we are working on the south elevation. Okay, and this is your natural ground level. You could name this your floor level. You could name it whatever way you want to name it, or whatever you want to name it based on the kind of design you want to do, or based on the kind of design you're working at. Okay, would you like to name corresponding view? Yes. Now this simply shows you the distance between these two levels. Okay, now for you to create, you can easily modify it. Okay, let's say we want to change distance between this level and 400 millimeters. Okay, that's 4 meters. You could simply click on it, input your distance, let's say 3 meters. Okay, alright, so you see it has dropped down a bit. Now for you to add more levels, you go to architecture, then click on level here. Okay, then you click on level. Now this blue dot shows you that they are on the same alignment. Okay, so you simply click, drag towards your right, and when you see this blue, you stop. Okay, and it comes to level 3. You can click this level, let's say we're naming it our roof level. Okay, would you like to name corresponding views? You click yes. Alright, so to end this command, simply click on escape. Okay, now to change the distance between these two levels, these various levels, simply click on this. Let's say I want to make this 450, click enter. Okay, now for you to correct this text, cluster text together, click on this last one. Okay, zoom in, you see an arrow here, discontinuity arrow, click on it, a discontinuity sign, click on it, then drops this down. Okay, you can still select it and move it the way you want. Alright, now mind you, this distance shows you 450, and we want to make this let's say 3000 mm, 3000, enter. Okay, I hope you note. Now I want you to take a very good look at something. Now I clicked this line and I input the distance, let's say 27. Okay, not this way, and okay, you see it's only going to affect the one highlighted. Alright, I'm going to undo what I did. Okay, this distance is going to affect the one highlighted, so for this level is highlighted, so it's going to affect only that level. Okay, then you can easily just add level 3 meters. Now I want you to take a good look at your project browser. Whatever you're doing here is reflecting here. Okay, Now go back to your floor plan, because these levels represent your floor levels. Okay, you see they're changing. We have our sides. At first it was just sides. Now you have your sides, you have your roof level, you have your natural level, you have your level for floor level. So you simply rename this, let's say first floor. Okay, then you can rename this to second floor based on what you want to do. Okay, all right, certain levels. Now let me show you something quick. And when you copy a level from here, let's say you're copying this level to this level. Now it's actually easier to copy levels, okay, but the side effect of copying levels is that level 5 won't display in your floor plans, okay, but yeah, so it's gonna give you complications when you're working with a very large project. Okay, so try as much as possible not to copy levels, simply just draw them. All right, so that's for setting of levels. In our next video or subsequent video, I'm going to be telling you more on how to set levels and doing a real design, doing a real project. Okay, now we're taking a look at navigation. Okay, so just click any of these levels. Okay, it shows you your 4 cardinal points, and click on the navigation tool. It's found at the top right side of your screen here. Click on it, so it shows you your zoom. You can zoom in and out. Okay, zoom in and out. You can rewind. Okay, you can rewind. You can pan your projects from one place to another. So it shows you your navigation tool. Okay, now to really appreciate navigation tool, we need to draw some walls. Okay, to escape this, to end this command, simply click on escape. All right, now go to your architecture, click on wall. Like I told you, you can come down here, select the kind of wall you want. Okay, but for now, just draw. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you the wall to select and how to go about it. All right, so these are just walls, just drawn to my own discretion. Okay, so you can just play with it, just play with the walls. And now for you to see these walls in your 3D views, you go to view, click on 3D, default 3D. Okay, it shows you your 3D view. Now for us to navigate this, simply click on the navigation wheel. It shows you your orbits. Okay, you can orbit this building round and round and round the top. Okay, that's for orbits. You can still pan. Click on pan, you can pan it, rewind to get. Okay, so you can zoom in and out, zoom in and out, zoom in and out. Okay, shows you your center. Okay, now you can also make use of this box, this cube here, to just rotate, orbit the building, good stuff, front, and just play with it. Okay, so that's what we have for the navigation tool. Once again, you can zoom in and out, you can orbit, you can pan, you can rewind. Okay, so that's the navigation tool and levels. Okay, so that's it for setting up levels and the navigation tool in Revit interface. Alright, make sure you click the subscribe button and the little bell close to it so as to get notified and you won't miss out on our latest and subsequent tutorial video. Okay, let me know what you feel, let me know what you think about this tutorial. Do you really want more of this? What exactly do you want? Okay, make sure you leave a comment below.